The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night. We're ready for a great day. Hey Phoenix, how you doing today? Market's been up and down throughout the night. Let's look at them. Mostly down, actually. Yes. You see, we fell big yesterday during the day. Little pop up toward the end of the day. We're falling some more. ES has not hit the daily low from yesterday, but it's close. High of 44.70. So far the low, which we just put in, was 44.50, so about 20 points in range. NQ is below yesterday's lows. High on NQ. Looks like 395. And we just put in a low for the day at 269. So about 130 points of range. Copper coming down as well, about 100 ticks of range. Gold, slight rise up, small range, about 5 points. Ultravon rising up, about half a point. Crude did a beautiful double top yesterday with the day before. Been coming down pretty much since the double topped. And it has about 100 ticks of range, or about a full point. And Bitcoin's sitting about 25.6, so it's where we sit. Stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are ready to rock and rumble. See, we've been recently moving down over the past 2 hours or so. After a nice move up, then back down, down, up, down. News this morning. Of course, we have our normal Thursday non-farm unemployment report. That's what I'm trying to say. Hey, Chase, you keep changing your name. No longer Chase family, huh? How's it going today, Chase? Sid? So yeah, jobless claims coming up here in about 25 minutes. We have a Fed speaker at 10 o'clock. Canadian IVPMI at 10 o'clock. 10:30 for natural gas inventories and 11 a.m. for crude oil inventories. You can see how all these purple candles would have worked beautifully. Just beautiful. So we watch and we wait for our first opportunity today. Nice blue candle there. Watching both the 3 and the 1 now closely. I'm thinking that there's a way to use them together better than what I'm doing. So we'll see. Nice little pop up there in that blue candle. But we're definitely coming down. We're definitely everything. You can see VWAP, you can see the 100 EMA, you see the 20 EMA, all trending downward. The contest account is down. I haven't traded the regular Blue Sky account this week. Is it recoverable though, Phoenix? Are you gonna be able to dig back up? Big dig up? Well, that didn't make sense, but I know what I was trying to say. Slow movement, probably slow movement until the news starts spreading the news. Good. Uh, 8:30 Eastern unemployment claims. Oh. Coming right back down. Mark that as our low. Seven-point candle. So if we're gonna take this, we're just gonna target that Bollinger down there. It's only be about a 5-point trade if we get it. But I don't mind some little 5-point trades. Let's start digging this account back upwards. We're short. I gotta find my target thingy. There it is. Only about a 5-point target. But let's get some bread, as they say. Oh yeah, stop needs to move too. Put the stop there. Yeah. Hey Dakota, good to see you. Yep. Yeah, I've noticed the green magenta, and yep. Hopefully it's gonna end up the same way, although not doing it quickly, that's for sure. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come touch that band, baby. Okay, target hit. Quick win this morning for exactly 5 points, so $100, 95 after commissions. Thank you. As I was charting last night, I noticed that it's probably better if I'm using the moving averages and the Bollinger Bands for some natural targets instead of seeing it get halfway to a target and bouncing off, etc. Now this is breaking, of course, new low a day. But it was a quick win, especially with the only big news catalyst of the day coming up in 15 minutes. I need to start using 2 contracts here, but I want to dig this count back up some with some more drawdown. Then I could have stayed in, hit that target with ones, and then move my stop break even, and went further with the other. Continuing to move down though. Ultra Bond opens in about 5 minutes. It's kind of trending down-ish, sitting right on those bands. So, of course, this is the time, I use the band as a natural target. I'm happy with the win, but obviously I could have got more out of this if I was using my normal strategy. I would have went for, boom, put the stop there at the EMA. Then looking for like a 1 to 1.2, and I would have got about 10 points out of that. And you can see it's still going. It looks like it might have given me a 2 to 1, but we shall see. Definitely looks like it wants to be a red day, but I mean, obviously it's early. The unemployment numbers could change things. We are lower than we've been for a while since looks like yeah, August 29th. So like a week and a half. Or last week. I don't know. I lose track of days anymore. Yeah, it was last week. So about 7 trading days ago. Possible little bounce there. We'll see. Blue candle on the 1. Candle. Blue candle, the 1 went away. Is mostly a wick there. So outside the bands of the 3. Coming back down. Bounced on that same level as the last candle. Right about 60 half. Yep. Breaking. About 30 seconds till the treasury's open. Boom. Continue to move down. So it would have given me a 2 to 1 trade there, so we can get that out of there now. That would have a 16-point trade if I had done my old. Well, it's not my old strategy. It's trying something new right now. This is going to continue to move down. I probably should just get a new line when it starts bouncing. That's what I'll do. Wow, big move here. Did I accidentally? Hey, John, how you doing? Uh, I haven't actually written anything in months. I. Morning, Kevin. I don't remember the last time I actually used a pen. I do everything on computer. So the other thing I should have done here. Awesome, John. Glad to hear that. You know, I mean, I got in here. I got in there. And if I had just trailed this stop by candle, I would have got out there. But if I just trailed this stop candle by candle, you can see it would be doing that well. So, like I said, I went for the quick win earlier at that one trade, just because I want to start getting this count, trying to move it back in the right direction. If it doesn't seem to move in the right direction, then we're just going to abandon it, because it is the contest account. And right now, I am already pretty far out of it, but it's still recoverable with the right risk once I have the comfortable enough risk. We see that we are popping up here, coming out back out of those bands. What's the answer to not getting away from our mistakes? Trying to rise up. Rise up. Well, A, yes, I do have a high IQ. But I mean, I don't write anything. Journaling is also done on the computer. I mean, sticky notes when you can just put it on a notepad or use journaling software. Hey, JC. But yeah, my IQ is, or I shouldn't say is, was at one point. I don't know where it's at now. Genius level. They wanted to, like, when I was in first grade, they wanted to boost me to fourth grade. And I said no like an idiot. So I didn't take this reversal trade on the Blue Sky account. I did take it on Earn a Trade. I don't know where it's going to go yet. So it's coming right back down. Yeah, right back to my entry now. We're going to get out of it. Yeah, we're going to get out. How you doing today, JC? What did Ultra Bond do at its open? It's still undecided what it wants to do with its life. John Burrow Investments, actually made some nice journaling software. I actually have a video up about it. And he, very cheap, eh? I should have stayed in that trade. Eh, I'm doing good. One trade, $100 winner. Yes, remember jobless claims coming up in now 2.5 minutes or so. As we are rising up, I should have not jumped out of that long. I'll learn to trade. Hold on. Uh, Give me a second. It's here somewhere. I thought. There it is. Here's the video link. What I was trying to do. Yeah, there we go. There you go, Phoenix. That's the video about it from John Burrow. It's called Journal X. As we are one minute from news. Start spreading the news. Looking for a huge flush? It's bouncing right now, bouncing off those bands. You're welcome. Whoa, whoosh down on the news. 24 points. ES down, sorry, Dow's down 45, ES down 5, NQ down 26 and falling. Ultra Bond falling. There's your whoosh down, JC. Let's see what the numbers were. Jobless claims 216K. They expected 233K, so that's a beat. We got the beat. We got the beat. Sorry. Economy's still running pretty good. So it just hit 235. Laser tag. Oh, sorry. Outside the bands here on the 1 and the 5. Not going to try on 3. Not going to try and catch a falling knife, though. Gold pulling back. Ultra Bond. Put in a new low a day. Bouncing now, though. Crude oil doesn't care. Down 30, about 30 points on this candle. See where we go from there, from here. Shame I didn't hold that trade there the entire way. That would have been nice. Still red, though it's starting to struggle here around 235. UB's kind of stopped. Yep. Now down to 230. 229 actually. As low a day, we're making new lows with each tick. And Phoenix is 198 on the agenda. Let's see if we get there. Are you in a trade, Phoenix? That candle finished well outside the bands, and now you're seeing a little bit of a pop-up. There's 28. Just hit 28. Still falling. Now, it's a purple candle, so technically that's my trigger, but totally outside of the bands, I don't trust it. Good luck, Dakota. A little day put in by the Ultra Bond down to 25. And Q now down to 23, 223. Interesting. I have some sort of line drawn on here that I don't remember what it's from, but it got down to close to that line. Don't know what it's from, so we're gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna try to get rid of it. There we go. So we hit a low there of 220 so far. See what the Ultra Bond's doing. Oh, Ultra Bond's bouncing up to 125.30. And keep trying to bounce here. Blue candle on the 1. Still red on the 3. And purple candle back on the 1. They're still trying to push down. Another new low. And let's see, Dow. That first 5-minute candle after news fell just 44 points. ES fell 9. Dow broke 34,400. ES down to 44.41. And we're continuing to drop here on NQ, getting very, very close to that 198 number, down to 216. Sorry to hear that, Dakota. You'll get it back. So I didn't trust that purple candle, but obviously it worked. And you can see here on the 1 big purple candle off the news. Big stop there if I would have done it, and it's gone. So I've been about a 20-point stop. Let's see if it's given us 30 so far. Not quite, but close. But 25 would have been 1 to 1 to 1 and 1. Easy for me to say 1 to 1.5. No, wouldn't have. I'm wrong. 1.2. There's 206, 205. Are we going to break 200? Get very close to that 198 that Phoenix called. This continues to fall. So yeah, now I would have got 30. So I should have trusted the purple. I didn't, but I should have. I'm getting tired of moving this line. Every time I think we've found a bottom, we don't. Now we put it down at Phoenix's 198. See if it's there. So it's got down to 200. That's very close to 198. Bouncing a little bit on 200. Sitting right now 15,208. Dow trying to bounce up a little bit, but the ES still coming down to 44.40. I want to thank everyone for joining me here this morning. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. Reminder, if you're enjoying the stream, I'd appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, feel free to join in the chat. Questions, comments, always welcome. Popping up, see a little blue candle there on the one. It popped up for quick 5 points, 4.5, something like that. But right back down. Whooshin'. And there's 201 again, 200. We're about 46 minutes till the bell. That was our major news catalyst of the day. We do have a couple other little things. We have a Fed speaker at 10 o'clock. The German finance minister speaks at 9 o'clock. I'm not sure what's going on this afternoon, but like every Fed speaker is speaking this afternoon, right around the closing bell. That's a nice little bounce there now. So we hit 200 quarter, 200 half twice, about 5 minutes apart. Now we're seeing the blue candle up. Rise up. Ultra Bond did that big bounce thing. Look at that. How far it was outside those Bollingers too. Crude oil opens in here in about 15 minutes. Gold trying to bounce a little bit. And then Q's trying to come back down. And there's 199. Number one has made 12,000 in profit so far, JC. Yeah, number one, 112, 824. Number two, 110, 993. Number three, 108, 459. You can trade maximum of 5 contracts. There's 198 and below. Great call on that Phoenix. Yeah. Now, they're obviously taking risky trades. Because here's the thing: the guy that was number one after the first day was not in the top 10 on the second day, and it didn't go up that much. Like he must have lost most of it because he was at like 109 after the first day, and he's no longer in the top 10. Great job, Phoenix. Great job, Dakota. Oh yeah, big move down there on YM. Is YM something you've added recently, Dakota? Because I don't remember you trading that when you were here in the past. RJ will be so happy to hear you're trading YM. Good. Nice. 191 is the low now. So I just need to take these candles. You can see here that I questioned this purple candle and I shouldn't have. I could have just kept following this down for, 30, 40 points now. If we had, if I just done the, taking it and then stop, move the stop with each candle. So once this candle done, put my stop there, and then there, and then there. Wouldn't have moved it on a green candle, and then there, and then, you know, could have just kept going down. And like right now, so if I'd entered there at 230, my stop would be at 205-ish. So I would have 25 points of profit locked in. Still hanging below the 15,200 mark. Ooh, big big move up on crude there. Remember their desk or market or whatever you want to say opens up here in less than 10 minutes. They also have inventories today. Here comes the ultravound trying to come down again. Gold trying to regain back everything that it lost. Yep, it just snuck in another new low there. Down to 190 now. Awesome job, John. So far, the market does not want to turn around. Oh, nice, JC. Yep, we got a blue candle here. I'll have a blue. Sorry. Let's see. Oops. ES down to 44.36, trying to bounce. Yeah, he did really pitch well. Playing the Marlins next, and they've won 6 straight, including 3 against Los Angeles. And now wild cards looks like it's going to be, well, wild. I still can't believe the way the Cubs have come back. Yeah, I like Vierling, but I don't think he's ever going to be a star. I think he's going to be uh, a piece that's nice to have around that can play a lot of positions and hit a little, but nothing more of a utility player than an overall starter, in my opinion. Same with Maton. Back up to that 20 on the 1 minute chart. He hits. I mean, his exit velocities, at least with the Phillies, were always awesome. So you would think he would get more hits than he does. He touched the 20 there. You can see these bands are coming down pretty harsh. Top of the hour. See what Crude's over there doing. Wow, Crude got up above its bands, pulling back now. Ultra Bond. Yep, still heading up now. Gold made a new high day. That quick. Still not finding any traction upwards. Back below 200. Guys, reminder for those of you that trade NASDAQ, ES, YM, Russell. Contract roll this weekend. Rolling to the December contract. There we go. Now we're moving up again. Blue candle there on the one. We're moving on up. Hey, I'm mad. Yeah, I tend to lean on that whole we're moving on up one a lot. How you doing today, RJ? You're welcome, Phoenix. So far, the low of the day now on the NQ is 187.5. It's been a long time since I watched him. Hi, Eric. Yeah, one for one today. I sound kind of sick. I mean, unclear. Not cold. It's like 60 something. It went at like 75 today. I live in right in the middle of the well, I'm not right in the middle of the country, but I'm in Illinois. I don't think I've ever really watched that show, JC. I mean, I watch no TV now at all. And where are you at, Eric? Yeah, I couldn't stand living in Florida. Yeah, I'm not a hot weather guy. Yes, I'm at. I can see him. Did you not hear me? I said, yeah, I took one trade so far. Just and I only got 5 points out of it. Went for a small target when I could have got something huge. I like cold weather. I want to. I would love to live someplace where it snows 6 months out of the year. And I'm a big guy, so if I go to the beach, like they're gonna call Greenpeace for a beached whale. uh, I'm a fat, ugly old dude. They don't want anything to do with me. Nice move up here. That's not what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. So up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. uh, well, I'm a believer. It's okay, I'm mad. We don't judge on height here. In all seriousness, good luck. I must use that joke like once a week and still get laughs from it. Y'all are an easy crowd. Anywho, we are 20 minutes from the bell. So I'm seeing more long than short here, I'm at, I'll be honest. Hey, Ace. Good morning to you. Maybe Imad's right. This is very choppy. Very choppy. Yeah, I'm wondering that too as well, John. I mean, so far I mean, we've popped back up from 87, 187 to 207, so it's not a huge pop. Absolutely. Mrs. Ace, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. You want me to sing happy birthday? Wow. Ace. What a kick to the self-confidence there. No kidding. Neither am I. The fact that I've gotten up early to do these streams for over 2 years now has just been amazing to me, and you know to trade, because I'm the type of person I prefer to sleep until like noon and stay up until like 4 in the morning. Yeah, big rise up here. I'm at. Are you still in, or did you get out, buddy? Yeah. I don't watch much NFL anymore. I mean, I follow it a little bit, but I don't really watch the games anymore. Too many broken bodies. It's taken some of the fun out of it for me, knowing how many guys end up not being right physically and mentally after they get out of the game. Did you say that with a straight face, John? Well, I'm an Eagles fan, David, so I kind of got to ban you from the chat now. so, uh, yep. And I seen that they're not sure your Kelsey's gonna play. Yeah, we're coming back down a little bit. Hit those bands there. Could have been a quick short there. For a minute there, I thought you were shorting Nike. Sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic there. The Eagles are opening against the Patriots. Yeah, back down to 201 there. Nice move back down. What's your entry, Ahmed? If you want to share. There you go. Ace is going short with you there, Ahmed. All right. There's 200 on NQ. Where is ES sitting? ES down to 44.37. Second slow a day was 34.75. Dow tried to bounce back up. It's at 34.389. Good luck to both of you, gentlemen. $10 till the bell. Ring a ding dong. Back to 200. Try to break 200. Quick break down to 199. Back up to 200. Banging against the band there on the 1. Long 02 on the Ultra Bond. Okay, good luck on that. Ooh, that was a good setup for that short down to that level. Bouncing back up to 200 ES. Back up to aces. Just about aces entry. No, I'm wrong. It's at 36, not 37. Oops. Everything's kind of slowed down here. bouncing a little bit. Yeah, it's all in the afternoon though. I mean, there's one speaker at the top of the hour, but most of the speakers are this afternoon. Oh, big move up. Back up to 203. Yeah, ES popped back up to 44.38. Dow sitting at 34,390. Hey RJ, you'd be happy to know that Dakota over the past few months has picked up trading the Dow. You got a win on it earlier, before you were here. Yeah, he was. Maybe he went for coffee again. Gonna end up missing a good trade or something like he did last week. Oh, nice little bounce. Yep, there he is. Good call on that, JC. Oh, right back down on NQ. Look at that. Look how whippy it is all of a sudden. ES back down to 44.37 half. Forever, RJ? All right, Phoenix. You burn that one out. Yeah. I was gonna say, RJ, you didn't put in your 2 weeks notice. LSD, if you've seen him in the Discord, he loves trading coffee. You can only trade coffee on the ICE exchange, which is kind of odd. So you really are trading iced coffee. Yes, that was another bad joke. Coffee actually does move pretty well. Yeah, ice is expensive. Here, let's see. Right there. But you can see the coffee chart. It moves pretty well. And I think it's like 18 something a tick. It has weird trading hours. It starts trading at 3:15 my time, so it's 4:15 Eastern, and stops trading at like 1:30 Eastern. Hold on. Pretty sure it's. Let me log into the paper trading and it'll tell me the tick. Hold on. And as they said, we have a 2-minute warning. Trade. Up, non-tradable symbol. Well, that's jerks. So it won't tell me the tick. Hold on. I'm pretty sure it's more than that. But hold on. Futures tick value. Yeah, 1875 is the tick value. Oh wow, yeah, burst down quick and then right back. I wonder what caused that. So new low a day there. 1875 a tick for coffee. We're 30 seconds from the bell. Well, you're already in Canada, so you're going to visit Santa Claus? Way up north where the air gets cold. Did you by chance take profit in that quick burst down, Inad? Ding 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 ding. Never mind, it's coming right back down for you. Big old purple candle. Bouncing on bands, band bouncing. I'm a band bouncer. I'm a band bouncer. Oh, Dow's taking off. Dow's up 50 points. Up to 344, 460, 34, 467. It's almost already at that 477 mark. ES popping up as well. Right now, the Nasdaq's the only with the red candle. There goes Ace Long. Nasdaq just broke its low. New low Nasdaq 179.25. Sorry, Ace. Wow, look at it go down. 171.5. Great job, Imad. Wow. Should have taken that purple candle in the one. Wow. That was beautiful. Wow. Anywho, down 33 points. But look at the Dow going. Dow just up to 34, 472. I know you can't actually look on my screen at the Dow going because I now have my screen taken up by NQ. Ultra bond, not bursting, but it's slowly grinding. Crude, all wonky. Gold, pulling back. Yep, saw that, Phoenix. Right now it hasn't reversed yet. That might be our low there, though. Completely outside the bands, popping back up. Wow, big pop up. Good morning, Philip. Philip always reminds me to check out the Russell. Almost said the Phoenix. Russell's coming down too. That was a quick 20-point pop up, but it's giving me yeah. Now all of a sudden my mouth isn't working, giving it all back. Nice, Imad. You're quick on the draw. Dow looks like a rocket ship right now, up above 500. ES joining in now, up to 44.42. And Q trying to pop up, but wow, look at the Dow go. Dow is up 107 points on this opening 5-minute candle. Uh, wow, RJ, 35,552 now. Dow's going places in a hurry. We're long, I think. Oh, I longed. Oops. I longed micros instead of minis. Okay, I'll deal with that. Yeah, it's probably best I did. Stopped out. You just noticed that, John? It got up to 34,552. It's pulling back now. It's pulled back by about 30 points on the Dow. ES still showing green. Oh, right back under 200. Nose touched the 20 and then burst right back down. This little pullback or pull up, whatever you want to call it, got up earlier, got up 15,213. That's the latest resistance. Yeah, JC, did you get profit on that, or was that just a break-even trade? Long, right into resistance. Good job, Brian. Watching the 1 minute chart too closely. I need to focus on the 5 and use the 1 for. Oh wow, or I can just keep my mouth shut. Put my target there at that 13 where it got up to earlier. Oh great, awesome, JC. Yeah, I forgot where your entry was. There we go. There we go. Target hit. That was a 6 point trade. Shooting for that previous. And you see it's kind of trying to burst through. Thanks, Sid. Still going up. Have broken the 20 here. Brushing against the bands. So just hit 219. Big move up. Broke through the 100 EMA on the 1. It isn't the 100 EMA on the 1, the 5. I don't know. Anywho. Long way to go to that 100 EMA on the 5. There's a 26 point candle. We're long. Shooting for VWAP. Big target. With a big stop. Let's see if I chicken out on this though. Yep, chickened out on that. Ended up being not even sure. And I was glad I chickened out. Look at that, come all the way back. That was another 6-point trade. We're up 259.78. Wow. I saw how far that was extended over the bands. I should have got out earlier. I could have got more out of that trade, but another winning trade. I think I'm liking the idea of using the 1 and the 3 together here. That candle on the 1 would have been a great short with that big wick. I wasn't thinking. Could have got another quick trade out of that. So we got up to 241, pulled back to 220 now. Could just be resetting itself back inside the bands. Sorry, just hit the mic again. Great job, Mr. G. Nice seeing you, buddy. Here we are, rising back up now. Another blue candle in the 1. That was a wonky looking 3-minute candle there. Coming back down with the red candle, or purple. Let's see. So Dow's come back down to 34,489. Let's see if it uses 77 as support. ES sitting at 44.46. Ace never said how he did on that trade. He might still be in it as far as I know. He just doesn't share with us anymore. No, I'm kidding. Pulls back. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of choppy. Choppy. Recent low, recent high. 157, 241. Gold coming down. Ultra bond has no idea where it wants to go. Crude oil, wow, shot up huge. Pulling back now. Remember, we have a Fed speaker at the top of the hour. You know, this was a purple candle in from the bands. That's sometimes a signal for me. I didn't take it, and see, I mean, so far it would have given me a decent short, but had that wick on it, kind of bouncing off that 20, so I didn't take it. But it would could have got me 10 points. Bounce. So it dropped from 14 to 97. So it could have got 15, and then now look at that bounce. Kind of all wonky. My RTI line is above the RTI moving average, which means right now I'm still looking mainly to go long, but we'll see if it ends up changing my opinion. Market having trouble deciding here. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Still trying to push down, back under 200. All right, good luck on that. You can see how this purple candle, they kind of, show us that this could have happened. Purple candle out of the bands. I just gotta start taking them. Let's see here. Could easily got, 30 points so far. Nice, Matt. Very nice. So yeah, once it got up through these fans here, I should have been thinking short, and I really wasn't. That's one thing I gotta get better at doing. I got in the mood, oh, we're going long, and I just can't keep doing that. The wall comes tumbling down near the wall. Let's see, where's the Dow at? Boom, 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 boom. Dow down to 34,467, broke that 77. ES back down to 44.40. Bounce here on NQ, got down to 171, back up to 188. Big blue candle on the one. Russell? Oh yeah, look at that Russell go. Russell's free falling. Didn't even give it a that boom back up that we saw in the other indices. Beautiful move down on the Russell. So Phillips our Russell expert, Ace is our ES expert, RJ is our YM expert. Bouncing again or trying to. Speaking of women, what happened to all our female traders? No females seem to stop in here anymore. DN, aka Deb, disappeared. Kim Hill, I still talk to occasionally on Discord. She always preferred the evening streams. But it's like, used to have a few female traders. Now like there's none that make themselves known at least. For money, obviously, Robin, but even she doesn't stop in every day. Blue candle bounce. Uh, 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 The Battle of 477. Right back down. We are top of the hour. Fed speaker. Let's see if he's yapping anything. Oh, Fed speaker Harker does not comment on the economy or monetary policy. So nothing. No worry about the Fed speaker. Purple. Not quite yet though. Back down to 181. 176. This candle here 2 candles ago got down to 171. We're down to 175 now. Purple candle, we're going to take this short if it holds. It's got 10 seconds. Short at 173 half, which is exactly, wow, no slippage at all there. And we have our target right there at the low of day. Hitting that band, unfortunately. Come on. That doesn't look good. Come on. Don't be afraid of the band. They're not going to hit you with a tuba. Ah, pulling back again. Coming down. Come on. Come on, baby. Lit my fire. There we go. Just 4 more points. That's all I want. Ah. Maybe I'm asking too much. Nope, doesn't want to seem to get back down to that low a day. Is now pulling back on me. Come on. Oh, here's another push. Keeps getting down to 162-ish. My target's 158. Wow, bounced all the way back up to my entry and back down. Very bouncy here. Just can't break that 160. We're gonna move our target up a couple of ticks. Trying. Might be too late. No, maybe not. Hold on. Coming back down. Being beaten back down. Nope. Wow. Oh my. Oh man. Wow. Look at that bounce. Alright. Too late on the That's frustrating. See if it comes back down for me. Nope. It's gonna give me a full stop here a bit. Just couldn't get through 162. I was up 200. I was going for the target of low a day. It didn't feel, didn't get down there. And now this reversal up. Yes, there we go. There was the perfect stop. We are now back to red on the day by 45.80. Much more comfortable being red than green. It's a normal thing for me. So I should have went for a shorter target there, unfortunately. but that's okay. Yeah, it would have been a winning trade, Phoenix, if I just had, you know, uh, had a shorter target there. I always liked playing in the sandbox as a kid. It kept struggling, and my mind was saying we always get out too early. And my brain should have said, you know what, don't get, just take that 200 and you'll be up 500 on the day. All right, look at that bounce. So I should have taken that blue candle as well. Still not reading the market well. I still wonder if I'm ever going to be able to read a live market well. I read it perfectly. Looking at the charts, everything makes sense to me. Wow, what a bounce. From 162 up to 222. Have a great one, Dakota. See you Monday. Dow still fighting around 34, 460. ES back up to 44.43. Pulling back. So they're saying that natural gas workers in Australia are going to strike. See natural gas pushing up on that news. Crude oil's been all over the place. So that last trade, I did not make a mistake by entering there. I just made a mistake of not. I made two mistakes. One, just not taking when it saw it you know, struggling, not taking the, you know, not just ending the trade, and then B, once it started pulling back up, not getting out quick enough, letting it go to full stop. Does look like we're rising up now. Missed entries. This could have been a good entry right there. Chopping around now, trying to find some footing. Blue candle on the one. 227, the high of these candles. Struggling to get through those though. You can see 226, 226, 227. So right now it's just struggling there, and you can see the high of this candle here is also 226. That's kind of the line right now. YM down to 424. ES hanging around 44.39. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Possible bounce. It's gonna make another run for that 227. It's actually becoming a pretty big thing down here, RJ. It's up majorly. I'm sorry your weekend got canceled, but I'm glad you'll be here. Long. See VWAP sitting there at about 242. So we're gonna put our target down the VWAP. Which is also, actually, it's where I drew this line. So we might want to put our target down to 241. Let's see. We'll watch it. Just hit 236 and whip back down. Hmm. Well, that doesn't look good. Well, take the blue candles, they say. That 1 minute candle is shot down by 17 points. See if we rebound. Don't see any news that caused that. It's just a regular pullback. Got within 2 ticks of my stop there. There we go. Yep, Dow's falling quickly. About ready to break 34,400 again. And Q's not sure what it wants to do. Kind of bounce a bit on. Looks like it got down to 402. Here goes AQ trying again. Still got 2 minutes on this candle. Not anyone trading natural gas, your inventories are coming up in a minute and a half. So pulls back down. It doesn't know where it wants to go. Yeah, UB is not really going anywhere, is it? Gold still falling. Crude oil, remember crude oil inventory. Ooh, look at natural gas. Was kind of trying to find the right term. But crude oil heading up toward its inventories at the top of the hour. All right, good luck with that, JC. Big push down. Back under 200. Sorry, JC. Yeah, all of a sudden it's breaking to the downside, and so are the indices. Trying to break toward the downside. So far, can't break the 188 area. It's kind of stuck here. Bouncing back up. So up, pull back, upwards. Wow, big candle, 27 points. Boom. Making another run for the border. Hey, Burl. Eh, not bad, kind of choppy. Yeah, I don't like that decision of Top Steps. I think they have trades by Matt. They have that other guy I forget, Patrick Wheeland, and now they're competing against them. It just kind of seems counterintuitive. Wow, look at that burst up. Just touched that white line. So the target I had in place for this first trade worked. It just decided to pull back by like 40 points first. There we go. So there is the blast off. I hope you get stopped out bad. You can see up, pulled back, and then boom. And that boom started with that blue candle down here on the one. Jumping in there, it's gone 60 points. 258. There's 264. Sitting here. There's 250. I'm sorry. Yeah, 266. Bursting through up to 277. Yep. Dow looking like it's trying to get up back up to the high of the morning at 552. ES strong candle there as well. Wonder what's wonder what's if there's a catalyst to this. Walmart cuts starting pay for some new hires, so I don't think that'll be the catalyst. U.S. Bank unrealized losses on securities rose 8.3%. There's a bunch of news coming out of the FDIC. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's number of banks on FDIC's problem bank list unchanged at 43 firms. Uh, U.S. Bank net interest margin decline for second straight quarter. U.S. Bank profits decline 11.3%. And I don't understand. Yeah, the market's heading up, Burrow. I don't understand why some of this stuff comes across financial juice. Hong Kong elderly make up a quarter of 1,800 jaywalkers, while traffic fatalities hit 3-year high. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna go short on jaywalking. We're shorting jaywalkers.
A little bit of a pullback here on this 1 minute candle, down by about 8. Yeah, but John, in the last 10 minutes, ES has popped up by about 17 points. Oh, yeah. Just kind of hanging here at 273. Kind of pulling back a little bit. Back down to 264. So it got up to 281, pulling back now to 262, so about a 20-point pullback. Burning red. Ace just disappeared. I assumed he went to make breakfast, but we never heard from him. So we gotta hope that something didn't happen. And the kids decided to like eat him for breakfast.
That'd been a good short. Uh, Phoenix, did you take profit on your long entry there? Good job. Oh, I'm back to red. I'm at. It's where I'm comfortable. Has anyone ever heard of or used a streaming platform called Kick? Supposedly, if you get monetized, you need 75 followers, and all. If you get monetized and you're doing a decent, you know, decent following, decent amount of viewers, they'll pay you an hourly rate to stream. Supposedly, it's like $16 an hour. Now, I don't know exactly what the. I don't know if that's for everybody, if they pick and choose, how they decide to choose that. Talking about a streaming service, Phoenix. I don't know. I don't know who that is. I'm at. Possibly. They do have a couple trading channels, so there are people doing trading on that streaming service. Oh, Back down to almost to the 20 here. Stream ends in about 4 minutes, so we might just hang for an extra minute to see what crude oil inventories do. So anyway, I don't know. I'm thinking about trying to, I have signed up. Thinking about trying to get the followers I need there, and then see if I can find some time to stream there, or multi-stream somehow with both YouTube and there to see if it's uh, worth it. Try and get some money out of streaming because I make, you know, my YouTube. I don't get. I mean, I don't get any money from YouTube. I make, like it's less than $1 a day. 60 cents, 88 cents, 76 cents, 77 cents, 99 cents. Weekends, it's like 11 cents. I don't know. I admit that wore me down when I was doing the double streaming, and I ended up missing all the Philly games. That's what I gotta try and figure out. Bouncing on the 20. I'm shocked that ShareVision hasn't died yet. The website's still up. I still have the third most followers there. Gemini? So let's see what crude does. Crude's been very choppy here. You can see those wicks on all those candles. Inventories didn't seem to cause it to blow either way. Crude oil inventory is negative 6.307 million. Forecast was negative 2 million. That should cause it to pop, but really didn't. So, gonna call it here for today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Tomorrow, the last day of the week. My birthday's over the weekend, so tomorrow will be my birthday stream because I don't want to. My birthday is September 10th, and I don't want to celebrate on September 11th. So tomorrow will be the birthday stream. Hopefully, I can get some birthday luck. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.